This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this tips and tricks video, I will be teaching how to append data from multiple sheets and multiple files. But before that, let's understand what is this appending. Appending is the process of attaching or combining data with various files or various data sets. It actually involves combining of data from various files one below the other. So before we learn this, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And also, if you think that you want all our course offline videos, please do contact us and get your copy. This, you need not have to have the internet connection. You can download once and you can start learning by your own. All right, let's understand how to work on this append data. First, we'll learn how to append data from different sheets. I have a file here where we have the data in different sheets, table 1, table 2, and table 3. If you want to append all these three sheets data one below the other, there is a simple process. Let's see how we can append this data without writing a macro. In this data tab, we have get data. Click on this get data. We have different options, but we'll select this from file and we'll click on this from workbook. When I click on this from workbook, we'll get an option of selecting the file which we need to append the data from various sheets. Let's select this append query file, say import. When I click on import, we'll get a window where we can select all these three sheets. We have an option, select multiple items. Check that so that we'll get an option of selecting all these three sheets. I will enable all these three checkboxes so that I'll get the sheets appended. Now, once I select all these three sheets, let's say I'll go here and say load. When I say load, these three sheets will be loaded to our Excel sheet. Once they are loaded, then we can append the data. Now we can see that in our queries and connections tab, we can see that append table 1, table 2, table 3 are connected. And it also shows the number of rows which are available in each sheet. Next step is we'll go to this data. We have something called as combined queries. Now, once we click on this combined query, we have an option called as append. Click on this append, we'll get a small window which will help us in combining all these three sheets. Since we have three sheets here, we'll go and we'll select three or more tables. If you had only two tables, we could have used this, but we have more than two tables. So we'll select these three or more tables and select all the sheets, whatever we have imported. I will select this append table 1, click on add. Append table 2, add. Table 3, I'll add. All the three tables have been added here and I'll say OK. Once I click on this OK, this will take me to another editor, that is Power Query Editor, wherein we can do some modifications. But right now, we'll not learn about this Power Query Editor. There are so many other videos which I've done in the playlist in our YouTube channel. If you want, you can go through those videos to learn Power Query Editor. We don't have to do anything here. We just close this and click on this keep. Now the data will be appended one below the other, and you can see that the data is available in our sheet. This is for appending data from multiple sheets. Now let's see how we can append data from different files. Let's go to the folder where we have all the different files. If you see in this folder, I have almost 16 files which I need to append. Most of them actually write macros or say programming for appending these data from these files. But let's see how we can do this without writing a program. Let's go to this data tab, get data, and click on this from file. We have an option of selecting from folder. When I click on this from folder, we get the window to select the folder. So it asks for folder path. Let's copy this folder and we'll paste it in this folder path. If you think you want to browse, you can click on this browse and also you can select the folder, but I just copied and pasted, so this will be the easiest way. Click on OK. Once I click on OK, I'll get the window where it will mention all the files which are available in that folder. Next, we'll click on this combine. A small arrow is there. You just click on that and say combine and load. When you click on that combine and load, all the files which are available in that folder will be appended one below the other. Now it asks for combine files. Let's select this sheet. This is a sample sheet where we get this data like this. Click on OK. So once I click on OK, it will evaluate all the sheets and then it will append one below the other. Now I can see the data from all the files will be combined and that will append the data and give it in a different sheet. You can see that the data has been appended one below the other. This way we can append the data from multiple sheets or multiple files. But make sure that the data is in same structure. That is, all the columns should be same in all the files or in all the sheets what we are trying to append. So this is what we have in this video. But if you think there are more options for appending the data, please do mention in our comment box so that even I can learn something new. And also people who are watching this video can also learn something new. And if you think that you want our all the courses offline videos, please do contact us and get your copy. I hope this video was useful. If you think this video was useful, please do share this, and also if you like this video, please give a like. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.